Government ngayita mu ministry y'ebyenjigiriza mu ggwanga ewaddeyo obumbi 7 obwa siringi za Uganda eri abakulira amatendekero g'emikono ag'enjawulo okweyongera okubangula abantu mu mirimu gy'emikono wakati mu kubalabula nti bano ensimbi ezibaweereddwa bazikozese ebyo byennyini ebituufu ebiina okugasa abantu. Minisita w'ebyenjigiriza mu ggwanga Janet Kataha Museveni yakwasizza amakolero n'amatendekero ag'enjawulo ensimbi eziweereddwayo gavumenti nga ziva mu banka y'ensi yonna ku mukolo ogubadde wano mu Kampala.
Congratulations, we are looking forward to see the fruits of your work, and congratulations to the work that you've been doing. Yes, congratulations, Nawanyego. The next one is a demonstration that government is doing a lot of work with the private sector in supporting private sector development.
So, as we all know, Government of Uganda, through Ministry of Education and Sports, acquired funding from the World Bank worth $100 million for skills intervention in the key economic sectors of agriculture, manufacturing, and construction under the Uganda Skills Development Project. It is from this funding that the Government of Uganda, through Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development, entrusted Private Sector Foundation Uganda with $21.8 million to execute component 3 of the project, employer-led short-term training and recognition of prior learning through a grant facility mechanism. So I am very, very pleased to be here just in time to know what is happening, and it's really interesting to see how many people are gaining the experience we want through this initiative. I'm aware that this grant facility is on a cost-sharing basis, which was one of the strategies envisaged in the beဖိtting strategic plan, Skilling Uganda Strategy 2012, 2013, 2021, 2022 financial year. I want to thank Private Sector Foundation Uganda and Ministry of Finance